mean?
Somebody grab him some clippers. His fucking beard is weird.
Alright, so I'm here with Matt. We got his car on the right, or actually left. We got mine on the right. So we're going to be comparing our exhausts. $400 exhaust full system. I have CNT unequal length headers and a custom axle back. Matt over here has the tomei unequal length headers, catless, the tomei front pipe, and the invidia N1 Catback. So when I told you it was all invidia, I was wrong. Don't take my word for it. So we're gonna fire them up, see which one sounds better, or not better, how they sound compared to each other. $400 exhaust versus like almost a $2,000. Because how much did you spend? Like
$1,700.
Yeah, so basically a $2,000 exhaust versus a $400 exhaust. Alright, now we're about to fire up my car in comparison to that. That thing sounds so sick. Now it's my turn. Whew. So there you guys have it. That's what my car sounds like. That's what Matt's car sounds like. You want to be in or not? I'm in. Am I in it, or am I too fucking like head chopped off?
There you go.
Alright, so there you guys have it. That's what my car sounds like with my $400 exhaust. And that is what Matt's car sounds like. His is much louder for sure. And he does have better quality parts, so it makes the car sound ridiculously loud and super aggressive. But for $400 you really can't complain. I like it. But if I had the money to spend like him, then I definitely would probably do something close to it. I had the Invidia N1 replica style and it was too drony for me. He likes it, he can live with it. Me personally, muffled delete is a lot nicer for me. Here.
What?
I do it. And now I'm playing, I didn't have that. So there you guys have it. We're gonna take some pictures of the cars now. It's getting pretty late. So thanks you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Matt's a bitch. Got this little cool thing on eBay for like 11 bucks. Now we're gonna be taking some awesome pictures with this mask and my car. This camera can't pick up light for shit, but the car looks good. Are you using a different lens?